Hello students. Today we are going to discuss about Unit 2 in Commerce. The name of the chapter is called as Financial Market, but today we are going to discuss about capital market. So first, meaning of a capital market. Capital market, as you all know, market means it is a place where the buyers and the sellers meet together. So why the different name has been given capital market? Because capital market is mainly meant for the trade of financial securities. Securities means shares, bonds and stock. Now let us see the definition given by Arun K. Datta. So he says that capital market is nothing but an institution, investment, practice, various link between the demand and the supply of capital gain. So that is the definition has been given by the person. Now again I am explaining what do you mean by capital market. Capital market is nothing but borrowing, lending of long-term capital funds required by the business enterprises. So this is a simple way called as capital market. Now let us continue with what are the characteristics of capital market. The characteristics of capital market are classified into 5. Now the first characteristic is security market. Security market means, as I told you, shares and debentures. It is called as security market or otherwise called as capital market. Then second one is price. How the prices of the securities has been determined, has been calculated. So it is mainly denote the demand and the supply of securities. Then third one is participants. Who are the participants? The individual, the corporate sector, the government, the banks and other financial institutions. The next one is location. So location means, so we need a place to sell the securities. So that is called as location. So capital market is mainly known as a center called as stock exchange. The next one is market. It also provide a platform for the long-term financial assets. So as you know, what are financial assets? So the long-term funds are called as financial assets. Now next we are move on to the kinds of capital market. The kinds of capital market are classified into two. One is primary market and the another one is security market. That means the secondary market. Primary market, it is a place where only we can able to get new issues. So where to get this new issues? Number one is public issue. So public issue means it is a common method where we can give advertisement in the newspaper. So some more about the company details should reach to the general public. So it is called as public issue. Then second one is rights issue. Why it is called as a rights issue means, suppose if the company wants to increase or to invest some additional capital, so that time those securities which are mainly distributed to the existing shareholders. So this method is called as rights issue. Then third one is private placement. Private placement means it's a way of selling the securities to the group of investors. So these three are classified into the primary market. Now we are move on to secondary market. Why it is called a secondary market? Secondary market means it is a place where we can able to get second-hand securities. So it is called as security market. There also trade will took place between the investor as well as the original issue in the primary market, and it can covers both stock exchange as well as over the counter market also. So this is the classification of market. The capital market, one is primary market and the secondary one is secondary market. Now next we are move on to the functions of capital market. Number one, in what are the way the capital market functions as well as the importance. Savings and capital formation automatically, it's a permanent capital, then it improves the industrial growth, it is a ready and continuous market, it gives a guide for the performance, it's a proper channelization of funds, then providing variety of securities, then development of backward areas, as well as it can capture the FDI, the foreign direct investment, or otherwise called as foreign capital. And the last but not least, easy liquidity. So easy liquidity in the sense, with the help of the security market, so it can be able to convert the securities immediately into cash. So for that purpose, the commercial banks are also helpful for the investors to the deposits as whenever they need in funds. So in this way, the capital market functions operates. So again, I repeat the functions of the capital market. Number one, it creates a savings as well as the capital formation. It's a permanent capital. It improves the industrial growth as well as mainly prominent through different types of channels. Then it's a continuous market. It gives a guide to perform in the market. It's a proper channelization of funds. It provides a variety of services. Then development of backward areas. Then it also captures the foreign market and easy liquidity of cash. So that's all about the functions of market. So again, I am recalling what and all we have discussed today. The meaning of a capital market, the definition of capital market, the characteristics of capital market, the kinds of capital market, primary market and secondary market, and the functions of capital market. So one more time, just to go through, students, along with this PDF also I will send. Those who are not having the textbook, just to go through with the pictures. There are different type of pictures and the meanings are given. So it is a very easy way to go through the content along with this video. Thank you, students.